What breaks my heart the most is the knowledge that I won't be able to see his face once I succeed in my field.
I will forever be thankful for having such a precious gentleman like him in my life. I will cherish the moments we shared together, however short.
Nindigikwe mzee, nindigikwe, until we meet again.
Kiwa na wenzako Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka pamoja na Musalia Mudavadi, hii ni wakati wenyu wa kuangalia Kenya itakuwaje 2022.
You know, we are in your hands. Do something. Thank you.
Thank you.
The NASA leaders, and I'm using those words, the NASA leaders that are here, let us do what is good for the country.
Raila, Mudavadi na Kalonzo, sisi tunaomba kama wa Kenya, mkae pamoja, mtupatie kiongozi ule ataongoza Kenya. Hakuna haja ya kupigana saa yote. Hiyo ndio maombi yetu.
And I implore the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka and the Honorable Musalia, if you take your brother to marry, and finally realize the girl has been taken abroad to study, and finally the girl comes back, you must go back and take him to ensure that the girl is married.
I think what is important is for us to come together as the people of Kenya, and we put away our ethnic origins to bring Kenya first. Kenya Kwanza. This is what is most important.